Hey, it's Febs. Today I'm back with another new video, and today I'm doing a brow tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are naked. I take my blank canvas E06 duo eyebrow brush and I brush my eyebrows, simply brushing it, and then I go ahead and take my NYX eyebrow gel and I squeeze a little bit onto the back of my hand, and I dip my blank canvas eyebrow brush onto it and I start drawing my eyebrows. So the first thing I do is I start in the middle part and then I draw a line towards the outer part of my eyebrow, and make sure that this line is very straight, and then I go ahead and I draw small strokes of lines towards my inner eyebrows like this. And then the next thing I do is I draw the top part of my eyebrow, and I do the same thing as I did at the bottom of my eyebrow. Start from the middle and then draw a straight line towards the outer part of your eyebrow, making sure that you meet the bottom line that you just created. And then I go ahead and draw small strokes of line towards my inner eyebrows again, just like what I did earlier. And then I go ahead and slowly fill in my brows with brow gel like so. As you can see, I'm just slowly filling it in with the brow gel.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine.
And as I am going near my inner brows, I then draw small strokes of vertical lines like so, just to create that natural looking eyebrow in the middle part of my brows. And then I go ahead and take my spoolie brush and actually brush the inner part of my brows this way. I don't know, I just like doing it this way. And that's it. And then I go ahead and do the same thing on my other eyebrows. So that is my video for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't subscribed, and also press that bell button. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked that video and I hope that helped you out.